What is your market forecast?
Mr. Sethi, before I give my forecast on the market, let's go back little while when budget was announced and the entire street was negative, and Nifty was almost at 5200 and people were talking about 4700 and 4800. People did not even realize what the budget was, and I had clearly told my views that we are heading for 6000, and now we have already reached there 5870. That is very close to our targets. Now why this has happened, that is very important to understand, because our market basically do not have investors protection, and there is physical settlement is not there. Because of this, generally speculators try and take call on the market on one-sided moves, either up or down, and they manipulate the prices. Fundamentally, as I told you earlier also, 5500 level was a fantastic level, even though market went down little bit from there, but 5500 on valuations is a very strong levels where one can really go and bite out. Now, as far as market views are concerned, I would say that, having seen a run up from 5200 to 5850, market should correct a little bit, which should happen somewhere in next 2 or 3 weeks, and somewhere around 5400 5500 again we should be seeing a value buying, and then the second round, which will allow us to cross 5900 maybe in 2 months time, which will open the new doors of the Nifty. Definitely I can tell you that by July we should be seeing Nifty in a new high. There is no doubt in my mind we should test 24,000 26,000 Sensex target before the year end, and the reasons is that under ownership and valuations are the basic 2 reasons. Whatever FII says excessive valuation, I don't agree with them. Fact remains, we have already closed the financial year 10-11. Now we are into 11-12, and 11-12 we are trading at a price earning ratio of 14, which is still below the last 15 years average price earning ratio for our country's Sensex. Now I am seeing a growth of at least 20 to 22% in FY 11-12, again followed by 24% growth in 12-13. Therefore, going forward we should take a 24% upward target for the Sensex from current levels. So anywhere 25,000-26,000 Sensex target I am seeing based on valuations. So this is a golden opportunity for long-term investors. Rising oil is not really a factor which should distort our market views. Technically this rise of oil is also speculative. There is an increase of 6 million barrels supply effective 1st April in oil, which should distort the equation on demand side, and the supply will be higher, and oil prices will cool off in next 30 to 60 days. I don't see oil prices rising very fast, and Libya issue will get settled down. So these are the 2 issues. Automatically they will allow inflation to control, and the monsoon which is likely to start somewhere from May end, which will increase the agricultural production, and automatically inflation will drop down. So things will be definitely under control. I think it's a good opportunity for investors to go all out and buy quality good stocks.
Thank you.
Thank you.